welcome to AI Path. This is Series 16, Agent Infrastructure, Run, Orchestrate, Scale. We've built agents and connected them to tools. Now the question is, where do they actually run? Today we start at the beginning, your own laptop. Running agents locally and at the edge. Let's get into it. There are really only 3 places an agent can run. Place 1, your laptop. The model lives in the cloud, but the agent loop, the tools, and the memory all run on your machine. This is how most developers start. Zero infrastructure, instant feedback. Place 2, the cloud. A server in AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud runs the agent loop, connects to a hosted model, and scales with demand. This is where production agents live. Place 3, the edge. A phone, a Raspberry Pi, a smart device. The model is small and local, the agent runs offline or with spotty internet. Low latency, high privacy, but limited capability. Today we focus on 1 and 3, local and edge. Cloud comes later in this series. Let's talk about the local dev loop because this is where you spend 90% of your time when building an agent. The loop looks like this. You write or tweak the agent code. You run it on your laptop. It calls the cloud model, runs its tools locally, and gives you a result. You read the result, spot the problem, tweak the prompt or the tool, and run again. The faster this loop is, the faster you ship. 3 things that make the loop fast. 1. A hot reload setup. Don't restart from scratch every time. Use a framework that reloads your changes automatically. 2. A tracing tool. Something that shows you every step the agent took, every tool it called, every token it spent. Without traces, debugging is guesswork. 3. Model caching. If you're calling the same prompt over and over during testing, cache the response locally. Saves money and saves time. Now what about running the model itself locally? Not just the agent loop, but the actual LLM on your own hardware. This used to be science fiction, but in 2026 it's mainstream. Tools like Allama, LM Studio, and LlamaDoc let you run surprisingly capable models on a normal laptop. Why would you want this? 3 reasons. 1. Privacy. Your data never leaves your machine. No cloud, no third party, no compliance headaches. 2. Cost. After the initial download, every call is free. Great for prototyping when you're making hundreds of calls an hour. 3. Offline. Works on a plane, works in a data center with no internet. The trade-off is obvious, local models are smaller and less capable. A 7 billion parameter model on your laptop is good, but it's not Claude or GPT-4. Use local models for prototyping and privacy. Use cloud models for production quality. Edge agents take the local idea further. Instead of your laptop, the agent runs on a tiny device, a phone, a robot, a car, a sensor in a factory. The model is quantized, meaning it's been compressed to fit in a fraction of the memory. 4 things to know about edge agents. 1. Latency is amazing. No network round trip. The agent thinks in milliseconds. 2. The models are small. Typically 1 to 7 billion parameters. Good for focused tasks, bad for open-ended reasoning. 3. You need to pick a runtime. Allama and LlamaDoc work on edge hardware too, or there are specialized runtimes like MLC LLM for mobile. 4. Updates are tricky. Pushing a new model to 1,000 devices is a deployment problem cloud agents don't have. Edge is niche today but growing fast. It's the right choice when speed or privacy absolutely cannot be compromised. Quick recap. Agents run in 3 places: laptop, cloud, or edge. The local dev loop is where you spend most of your time. Make it fast with hot reload, tracing, and model caching. Local models give you privacy, free calls, and offline, but they're smaller and less capable. Edge agents are the extreme, millisecond latency on tiny devices. Next time we survey the developer tools and platforms available for building agents today. If this helped, hit subscribe and I'll see you in part 2.